Welcome to the number 6 in our series of learning how to write instructions, how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. This is a worksheet, so get your writing materials ready. Level is easy. 1. Gather the ingredients. 2 slices of bread or more if you are making sandwiches for other people too. Peanut butter, jelly or jam, knife, plate and cutting board would come in handy too. 2. Spread the peanut butter evenly onto one slice. 3. Take another slice and spread the jelly onto it. 4. Put the slices together with the peanut butter and jelly facing each other. 5. Cut the sandwich in half with a knife. 6. Enjoy your delicious peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Summary and review. How do we write instructions? 1. Number the steps and list them chronologically. 2. Start with the verb. 3. Write easy, understandable English. 4. Check your grammar, including your spelling. If you misspell, you miscommunicate. 5. Review with someone to make certain your instructions are clear. Exercise. Copy the table below into your writing book and complete the steps from the previous pages. Numbers 1 and 6 were done for you. Don't forget to write the heading first of all, how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. When done, check your answers with the stuff. If you want to include some more steps, like clean the knife, if you use one knife only, one for the peanut butter and for the jelly, then put a step in to say wipe the knife clean before you move to the other spread. Thanks for viewing, reading, drawing and writing along. Graphics resourced online, text presentation and narration by Dirk Coetzee. Please like and subscribe at the bottom of the video in the description area. Click the playlists and PowerPoint links in the description area for similar videos and other media. There's the link that you need to watch out for. And then, bye for now. Take care.